Hello, my name is Cormac Begley and I'm concertina player, and I'm starting a new outdoor concert series from a camper van, The Beauty.
Over the coming months, outdoor concerts will be organised with various musicians and singers in secret locations throughout the country. To be notified about concerts in your locality, please follow the link below and fill out the short contact form. Tickets will be available online, and to comply with government guidelines, limited seating is available. On the day of each concert, ticket holders will be notified of Beauty's secret location. I'll hopefully see you along the way.